Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious almond cake. It looks definitely like in IKEA. I think that it's better than in the IKEA. First of all, we will make biscuits. It's a nut biscuits without any flour, and we need to make almond flour. You can take almond flour ready to use, but I prefer to chop almond flakes to make these beautiful dots in the butter. Now we should beat egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks, until stable meringue. And simple add nuts flour and combine using spatula. Do it very gentle, not overmix the butter. Now our butter is ready and we should fill our baking pans. I take 2 baking rings, 9-inch in diameter, and I divide the butter and spread it, making a flat surface. Now we should bake it in a preheated to 350 degrees of Fahrenheit until golden brown. It takes about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we can make a cream. Combine egg yolks, sugar and heavy cream. Also, I added almond extract, but it's optional. You can substitute it with vanilla extract. Cook it until thickness, but don't overcook it. Pour it through the sieve and cool until room temperature. Now you can see our ready nuts biscuits. You can see that they are soft, but they are ready, they cooked properly, and they have such a beautiful light brown color. Take it out from the molds and cool on the cooling rack. As you can see, they are very soft, very nice. They are not dry. Now we continue making our cream. Beat soft unsalted butter until fluffy and until white color, and then add egg yolks mixture gradually. Continue beating. So we get this fluffy and glossy cream. Now we are ready to assemble our cake. Put a little bit of our cream on the cake board and put the first layer of cake. Put our cream using spatula, make a flat surface and cover with the second layer of cake. Spread all the cream over the cake and on its sides too. And now chill the cake in the fridge, and in 1 or 2 hours we are ready to put our almond flakes. I dried it a little bit on the skillet pan and put all the almonds on the cake. And our beautiful and so delicious cake is ready. We are ready to try what taste we made. It's so soft, so nice combination of vanilla cream and almond biscuit. It's so beautiful. I think that you will definitely like it and you should try it. If you like my recipe, subscribe to my channel, thumbs up, and see you next time. Bye bye.